Okay, so anyways, the first thing I've got in my purse is this one. I've got some silly stuff right here. I've got this fake money that I got from Kids Mondo in Lebanon, just like Kids Zania in Dubai. It's exactly like it. This one, look. Okay, and I've also got this fake visa or stuff. I don't know what you call it. This one and this thing. Pretty empty in there. Yep, so that is almost the things that I got in this purse. So anyway, and I've also got this one. Because I don't know, I really need ties when I go out. Because like the air, I hate the winds, not the air. And I've got those headphones. I've got them 24 hours. They're pretty nice, you know. Got them for Paris, Claire's. And I've got some chocolate, Jordania cake. That's quite embarrassing, except for in case you got hungry. And I've also got a ball. I don't want to have this with me. I don't know, my sister is laughing. And I've got a clip, you know. Twins. And I've got this driving license when you go to Kids Mondo. And I look real out when you go to Kids Mondo. Yeah, now I have a driving license. No, just kidding. This is just a fake one. What do you? Oh yeah, and you have eyes.
She forgot in the back seat.
Okay. So anyway, yeah, I don't know. I just got this. I have quite a lot of ties, and I've got my phone with me. Of course, you need your phone with me. So, oh yeah, and this, I don't know why it wasn't before. This one, you need it. Plus the other detail.
Also in the back seat.
But you pretty much need detour when you go out because, you know, some places. This is not my book, this is yours. Okay, so anyways, that's my sister there. So anyways, right now I showed you what I have in my bag. So I guess that's it. And yeah.
Nope, that's not it.
So
No, you forgot this.
This is hers anyway, but I forgot to bring it in because it's at home. And phone. You can't read it because it's Arabic and So, anyways, thanks guys for watching this video, and please like and subscribe this video. And I guess I'll see you soon in 20 days in some beautiful out of this world. No, just kidding, it's in this world. So anyways, see you next time. Please like and subscribe for my videos. Bye!